Let's go pick up a car part. Oh my god, finally. It's been like 2 months, I'd like to say, since I've been waiting for this package right here. Finally, man. And it's not even for one of my cars. Alright, finally back home. Let's unbox it. So these are from a company called Archaic. I've been in talks with them and they sent me out aftermarket lights for the Civic. For those of you who don't know, let me tell you. So before I had any of these cars, I had a Civic. It's not here right now since my brother's using it, and he's using it because it's his car. I transferred the title to him a couple years ago since he needed a car, and at the time I only had the 86 and the Ford F-150 that I sold just a couple weeks ago. But yeah, there's a story. Again, he's not here right now, probably in class. And I think I'll pick this video back up again at the end of the week so that I'm able to wash the car and actually put the car in the garage if I'm able to. We'll see how that goes. And it's install day. Car's here, but I have a baby shower to go to, so hopefully I can install it afterwards, and hopefully my brother's still here. Right, I'm back from the baby shower. Now I just gotta shuffle the cars. So I'm thinking move the Miata out here, shuffle these two, back the Civic up, and then work from there. Not gonna be moving this since it's up on jack stands, messing with the suspension right now, so I don't want to go through all that. And she's in. Had to put this down, back it up, put it all the way to the wall so I don't have to squeeze by both sides. So there should be enough room. I mean, easiest way is to pull this out, but this is raised a lot, so I don't want to have to destroy everything. But yeah, let's get started. But before we do, these are the stock headlights.
Huh?
I don't know what happened here. Gonna have to talk to my brother about that. It is what it is. Well, good timing because there's a huge crack right there too. What the heck? Well, guess it's meant to be. Alright, cars are in. Let's get started. Alright, these are all the tools you're gonna need. Plastic trim remover for the clips above and below. Phillips head screwdriver for these two, and then another two on the other side. A 10 mil to take out the headlights themselves. And then a T30 bit for 2 screws down below. Let's get started. Changed after seeing more of the damage. I think the front bumper should be fine, more so just this trim piece. It shouldn't be that expensive as compared to like the whole bumper itself. I did notice the hood shifted more inward. What else? For some reason I'm missing a 10mm bolt right there. Headlight is cracked. Good thing we're replacing them, but those are trashed now. So let's start with the trim piece on top first. All the clips are removed. So we can take off the shield as well as the rubber. Right underneath, 10 mil clips all around, and then right here it's gonna be the D30. Gonna be more clips in the middle, and then it's gonna be mirrored on the other side. Also forgot to mention, there's gonna be 2 clips in these holes that you need to press while lifting up on this little lip so you can get the front bumper released. Here are little tabs that you need to push. Tab here that you need to use a pry tool to kind of pry going downwards, so going this way. There you go. Then you can just pop it out. Right, bumper's off. See more of the damage, but I think it's just the front grille, which is like maybe 150 to 200 bucks. It's not too bad as opposed to the whole bumper. And I can probably just go aftermarket too. We'll make it look nice. But I think that's how I'm gonna leave it for tonight, and we're gonna pick it up back tomorrow. See you in the morning. It's the next day. Let's start jamming. We're gonna get this done today so my brother can get back on the road. He's using my truck right now so he can run his errands, but I can get this done by then. 5 10mm screws there, and then the last one deep in there. There are also these clips that are attached to the housing themselves. You can just take them off. You can see the pieces from the damage, all from the bracket that goes underneath the headlight. So I'll have to order a replacement. Same thing with the grille. I have that on order already. Yeah, nothing else to do but to put it back together, clean it up a bit, and install the new headlights. But yeah, both headlights are off. Just gotta get these 2 10mm bolts bracket on the new ones. While we're here, you can see the 4 connections, the 2 10mm bolt holding the bracket in, the actual bracket, and then the other 2 10mm holes. Here's the new connections, and you just gotta match it up. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the install video. I think I covered everything. It's pretty simple. It's just a lot of clips and bolts. Nothing too crazy or different, if anything. For the connections, it's just plug and play, just match. For the LED, there's an app that you can download and just put it up on the screen, and you can change the color from there. I have it set to white, but it looks more so blue. I mean, I'm not complaining. They look really good. Turn signals, they look pretty good. As for the bumper and the grille, I'm gonna have those replaced just so it looks nice. But this was my first car, and this is its first mods, actually, besides wheels and then just vinyl wrap. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.